Okay, so files autosave delay. I'm kind of repeating myself because I already talked about this in the autosave setting, but whatever. Maybe you just uh, dropped on this video, so I'm going to explain it again. When you have autosave set to after the delay, the default setting is 750 milliseconds, right? And if you have any number equal to 1000 or below, you will not see the dirty cycle on the file when you change it, right? It's auto-saving, but it's not changing, it's not showing the dirty cycle. Now, I do enjoy seeing that dirty cycle just for the little amount of time, which is, it's going to be 1 second, that the file is not saved. I enjoy seeing that. Don't know why, but I do. And in order for you to see that, you have to set any number above 1000. So 1001 would work. Now, when you change it, you see the dirty cycle. You see it right here. Right? And I enjoy seeing that. I enjoy seeing that VS Code is detecting that the file is dirty, meaning the file was changed, and it's also automatically saving the file for me, so I don't have to do it by hand. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this one with 1001.